Mr. Milton, this is the Hyundai Sonata that you inquired about. Want to give you a little demonstration, show you what this car's got. As you can see, got the aftermarket rims, very nice. We'll take a look on the inside now if you like. My name is Davey Pavey, by the way. You can find us here at 1595 Montgomery Highway, Tameron. As you can see, very nice interior, very clean, smells great. See, we got your controls on the steering wheel for your cruise control, mode and volume control for the radio. Got CD player, very nice. Very nice interior, very nice car. Mr. Milton, I'd love for you to come on down, take a look. Let me take you on a test drive, let you drive this car. 1595 Montgomery Highway, Tameron in Hoover, across from the Wells Fargo. Again, my name's Davey Pavey. You can reach me at 205-432-9926. Davey Pavey, 205-432-9926. You can also reach me at the dealership at 205-380-6250. Mr. Milton, I'd love for you to come on down today. It's a beautiful day outside. I'd love for you to come down and see me, Davey Pavey. I'll get you a good deal. Thank you, sir.